Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
It's a big feast for us today. We celebrate the assumption of Our Lady into heaven. She was taken body and soul into heaven. And it's a happy occasion for all of us parishioners here when we celebrate the Family Day. Now the purpose of this day is to get people together and spend time playing traditional games, eating traditional food, traditional songs. Some of the music will also be traditional. And it's a day where we really have fun. At the same time, we enjoy the company of one another. I wish you a happy feast, no doubt about it. At the same time, I wish you a very happy Independence Day.
We are celebrating Family Day here at the Holy Family Church, Porvorim, Bardez, Goa. Okay, so this event is basically aimed at families and friends so they can spend their quality time with one another. As you can see, we have a lot of stalls around. We have Goan foods like choris pav, like we have sorpotel, we have chicken shakoti, we have Goan dishes like goat share on and so forth. Apart from that, we also have stage performances. We have a lot of live entertainment where children are coming up, putting up a lot of performances. They are singing. There is the youth that is participating, that is coming up. This event is basically coordinated along with the youth, the catechetical cell and the PPC members. So apart from this, we also have another aim. The reason why we have this event is so that we can, as a fundraiser for this mission called Mission Daman. As we are having this mission in November, this is a mission basically aimed to help the less privileged Adivasis in the Daman region.